Hi everyone, welcome back to HitPaw channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to convert your video to 4K resolution. As you know, 4K resolution is a high-quality video format that has become increasingly popular in recent years. But what if you have a lower resolution video that you want to convert to 4K? Well, let's find out how to do that. To get started, open up HitPaw Video Enhancer on the desktop. We'll be using it to do the conversion. If you are new to this software, you can find the link to the software in the description, or you can use other video enhancer softwares that you're comfortable with. Once you have launched the enhancer, you'll want to load a video into it. As you can see, the original video resolution is quite low. And besides, the arrow is the target resolution we want to get. If you have multiple videos to be upscaled, just click import and load as many videos as you like. The software will batch process them all at once. Next, you'll want to select one most suitable AI model for your video. Usually the general denoise model is perfect for most cases, such as landscape or portrait videos. Animation model is especially made for cartoon or animation. Face model can be perfect for portrait video and retouch the faces. And colorize model can give color to black and white videos. With good combination of these 4 AI models, you may even able to restore old video clips. After that, you can choose the target resolution in the drop-down box. Usually 1080p or 4K is perfect. Or you can customize it by typing the width and height yourselves. Then select whether you want to export as MP4 or MOV format. Now, let's click Preview Effect and see how the result would look like. The preview will only render 45 frames from the position you pause in the progress bar and give you a quick look. As you can see that the video is visibly clearer than before. Different from sharpening video in video editor softwares, the AI identifies and restores the pixels to some extent, and increase the number of pixels to become a high-res video. After making sure the result is okay, click Exit Preview. And export the videos to your PC. This may take some time depending on the length and complexity of your videos. That's it. You now have a 4K video that looks crisp and detailed. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful in showing you how to convert your video to 4K resolution. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful multimedia tools and tips. See you soon.